Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. This is somehow a second 3-in-1 video on how to use the encased fan, gear shift, and clutch. Have you ever had a fan that won't move for no apparent reason? Well, fear no more. All you need is a creative motor. But how do I get the fan to stop? Here comes the clutch. Now, when we use the clutch, the fan will keep pushing, but if we use a lever and power the clutch, ta-da! Have you ever had a fan that kept going, but you wanted it to pull the opposite direction? Well, fear no more. Use a gear shift. This can be helpful. It's spinning the normal way, just use a lever, and now the fan seems to be annoyingly pulling you towards it. Now, isn't this a fun thing to do? Totally. Now, when you combine both of them, once you turn on the fan, you can make it pull it towards you and make it shove you away, and then you can just turn the fan off again. Now, isn't that handy? Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe and have a good day.